A blissful marriage consists of two individuals who have decided to love each other unconditionally. Love that depends solely on what your partner does or who your partner is not unconditional. This quote cuts straight to the heart of what true, lasting love looks like in a marriage. It challenges a common misconception that love is a feeling that comes and goes based on our spouse's actions or our circumstances. Instead, it presents love as a deliberate decision. Many of us enter marriage with a subconscious, unspoken contract. I will love you as long as you make me happy, meet my needs, and act in a certain way. This kind of conditional love is a fragile foundation. When a spouse fails to live up to these expectations, and they will, because they are human, that love can quickly turn to disappointment and resentment. This is not the love God calls us to. The Bible presents a radically different picture of love, one that is truly unconditional. We see this most clearly in how God loves us. Romans 5 verse 8 tells us, "But God shows his love for us in that while we were still sinners, Christ died for us." God's love for us wasn't based on our goodness or our worthiness. It was given freely while we were still in rebellion against him. This is the ultimate example of unconditional love. In a marriage, our love for our spouse is meant to be a reflection of this divine love. It is a commitment that goes beyond feelings, beyond circumstances, and beyond our partner's performance. It is a decision to love and cherish them even when they are unlovable, even when they make mistakes, and even when they fail to meet our expectations. 1 Corinthians 13, often called the love chapter, provides the perfect blueprint for this. It describes a love that is patient, kind, that does not envy, does not boast, is not proud, and is not easily angered. This isn't a list of feelings, it's a list of actions and choices. This is the practical, day-to-day work of unconditional love. Building a blissful marriage isn't about finding the perfect person. It's about two imperfect people making a daily choice to love each other unconditionally, just as Christ loved us. This love is a covenant, not a contract. It says, "I am here, and I am committed to you, no matter what." When you love your spouse unconditionally, your joy isn't tied to their perfection. Your love becomes a steadfast anchor in the storms of life, a source of security and healing. It creates a safe space where both of you can be vulnerable, make mistakes, and grow together without fear of rejection. This is where true bliss is found. If this message resonates with you, please consider hitting the subscribe button, liking this video, and sharing it with someone who needs to hear this. Your support helps us spread this message of hope and restoration. What are your thoughts on this quote? Have you experienced the power of unconditional love in your own marriage? Share your insights in the comments below.